Hello everyone. I am an AI avatar created by Pratyush on I Am So Pratyush's YouTube channel.
Oh my god! Wow!
Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can start making money from creating ebooks with the help of ChatGPT. If you're a content creator looking for a new opportunity, this video is for you. The first step in creating an ebook is to select a topic that you're passionate about. It could be anything, from AI and technology to cooking, travel, health, or self-help. You can also research popular topics in your niche to see what people are interested in reading about. Now we have selected our topic, so open ChatGPT, and now we will search how to lose belly fat. And here ChatGPT is generating the responses, so now we will just copy and paste the script to Ms. Word. And if we want to get more information about any point, then we can just type elaborate this particular point. Once you have a topic in mind, you can use ChatGPT to help you write your ebook. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI tool that can generate high-quality content in minutes. All you need to do is provide a prompt, and ChatGPT will do the rest. This will save you a lot of time and effort and help you create an ebook quickly and easily. Now, as are publishing an ebook, we will 1. Sign up for Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, sign up for one. It's free, and you can access all of Canva's design tools and templates. 2. Choose a template. Canva offers a range of templates for ebooks, which you can customize to suit your needs. Choose a template that fits your design style and the theme of your ebook. 3. Add your content. Once you've selected a template, you can start adding your content. You can add text, images, charts, and other graphics to your ebook pages. You can also choose from Canva's library of icons, illustrations, and photos to enhance your ebook's design. 4. Customize your design. Canva gives you the ability to fully customize your ebook's design. You can change the font, color, and layout to make it your own. You can also add your own images or graphics, such as your logo. There are several ways to monetize your ebook, including 1. Selling it. You can sell your ebook on popular platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or create your own website to sell it directly to your audience. 2. Advertising. You can earn money by including advertisements in your ebook. 3. Affiliate marketing. If you promote AI products and services in your ebook, you can earn a commission on every sale generated from your affiliate links. 4. Subscription services. Finally, you can earn money by providing subscription-based access to your ebook and other AI content. Selling an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a straightforward process, and it's a great way to reach a large audience. Here are the steps to sell your ebook on Amazon KDP. 1. Create an Amazon KDP account. To get started, you'll need to create a KDP account, which is free and easy to set up. 2. Convert your manuscript to a Kindle-friendly format. Amazon KDP supports several file formats, including MOBI, PDF, and HTML. You can use free tools like Calibre to convert your manuscript to the Kindle format. 3. Upload your ebook. Once your ebook is in the correct format, you can upload it to your KDP account. You'll need to provide information such as the title, author name, description, keywords, and cover image. 4. Set your price. You'll have the option to set the price of your ebook and determine the percentage of the sale that you'd like to keep. 5. Publish your ebook. Once you've completed all the steps, you can publish your ebook. It usually takes about 24 hours for your ebook to be reviewed and approved. 6. Promote your ebook. Finally, it's important to promote your ebook to reach a wider audience. You can use social media, book blogs, and book clubs to get the word out. And now if we talk about affiliate links, then you can add affiliate links in your ebook by following these steps. 1. Get an affiliate program. To get started, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. Many companies, including Digistore24, Amazon, offer affiliate programs where you can earn a commission for promoting their products. 2. Get your affiliate link. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. Insert the affiliate link in your ebook. When you're writing your ebook, include the affiliate link where appropriate. You can add the link to text, images, or even buttons in your ebook. 4. Test your links. Before publishing your ebook, be sure to test your affiliate links to make sure they work correctly. 5. Publish your ebook. Once you've added your affiliate links and tested them, you're ready to publish your ebook. You can publish your ebook on a platform such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or you can sell it directly to your audience through your website or email list. By adding affiliate links to your ebook, you have the potential to earn commissions for promoting products that align with the content of your ebook. Just be sure to follow the guidelines of the affiliate program and provide value to your readers with your content. So, there you have it, folks. The simple steps to creating an ebook and making money with the help of ChatGPT. If you're an aspiring author or a content creator, this is a great opportunity to turn your passion into a lucrative career. So why not start exploring the possibilities today? And now, if you love this video for whatsoever reason, then don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.